How to use a tire repair kit. So we're going to use this on a Nissan Tiida. Now you usually get the tire repair kit in the trunk where the spare tire is supposed to be. This car does not have a spare tire, so it uses the repair kit. The first thing you'll want to do is the valve there should actually be in the down position. So we are going to reposition this tire. But you notice that little tool there that was in that little package. You use that tool to take out that insert that you saw there that came out of the valve. Then you would use your jack that is in your car. You would jack up your car so that you can rotate the tire so that that valve there on the right hand side is in the down position. You would then insert that tube there, connect those tubes together, and you would use gravity in this particular bottle. You would use gravity to squeeze the liquid out of the bottle into the valve there. There are other tire repair kits which uses different methods to get it into, but this one, as you can see, you just squeeze the bottle and it uses gravity in order to get the liquid into the tire itself through the valve. You can see there that we did orient the tire with the valve downward. If you look on the left hand side there, you'd see the jack. That's where the car was jacked up, and you just squeeze so to allow it to flow into the tire. After that's done, you'll connect it to the power in the car there, and then you connect, that's the pump actually, sorry, you connect the pump to the power in the car, and you would screw in the pump. Of course, to get that done, you have to put back that insert that was taken out of the valve. It's not on film, but you would have to screw back that insert. There I'm showing you where the jack was used to jack up the car, and you would look at the side of your door on the driver's side to see how much pressure that tire takes. So this tire takes 2.3 psi. So you would just keep running the pump until it reaches 2.3, and then you would shut it off there with the off button. And basically that's it. Once you have reached the amount of pressure the tire is supposed to have, you then turn off your pump, you will unscrew it from the valve. A suggestion would be to spin the tire, because of course you want to make sure that the liquid is dispersed throughout. But what it does, it seals whatever hole there is that caused the tire to go flat. So you just spin it for a bit, remove the pump from the power supply there, you put back on your cap on your valve, and that's it, guys. You have just repaired your flat tire. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video.